Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you team of the season icons. How to earn team of the season icons tokens to spend on icon shootout in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this team of the season event. This is the new event for this game, and jump into the third chapter. This is the TOTS icons, so you can join different modes of matches to earn TOTS icon tokens. So every day you can play challenge yourself in this icon tournament. Daily limits, you have to get icon point 20 like 20 points here, so you can claim this one. You can claim the TOTS icon token. I recommend you to start a head-to-head to get 12 icon point, and also you can watch the ads for bonus token. 5 token you can get every day. After that, you can spend the TOTS icon token. Choose direction to shoot. For example, I already choose one direction. For example, you need 25 TOTS token to open the path, or to open this circle. And this is the expensive one. You can get name from here. You need 225 of a TOTS token. So you have to learn about this. The position and also the OVR, you need 100 and 125 TOTS tokens. And there are total 1 2 3 player of the TOTS program here. So good luck, challenge yourself in this team of the season event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.